Cast McLaniff, then aged 39 years, now aged 67 years. Real name Sean McGoohan. Cast young Hamish, then aged 15 years, now aged 42 years. Real name Andrew Weir. Cast young William, then aged 12 years, now aged 39 years. Real name James Robinson. Cast Philip, then aged 26 years, now aged 53 years. Real name Stephen Blington. Cast Prince Edward, then aged 31 years, now aged 58 years. Real name Peter Hanley. Cast Argyle Wallace, then aged 49 years, now aged 76 years. Real name Brian Cox. Cast Campbell, then aged 48 years, now aged 75 years. Real name James Cosmo. Cast Royal Magistrate, then aged 52 years, now aged 79 years. Real name David Gant. Cast Mother McLaniff, then aged 40 years, now aged 67 years. Real name Gerda Stevenson. Cast King Edward, then aged 67 years, died in 2009. Real name Patrick McGoohan. Cast Craig, then aged 49 years, now aged 76 years. Real name John Kavanagh. Cast Malcolm Wallace, then aged 41 years, died in 2009. Real name Sean Lawlor. Cast William Wallace. Then aged 39 years. Now aged 67 years. Real name Mel Gibson. Cast Hamish. Then aged 40 years. Now aged 67 years. Real name Brandon Gleeson. Cast Robert. Then aged 36 years. Now aged 59 years. Real name Angus McFadden. Cast Mornay. Then aged 49 years. Now aged 76 years. Real name Alan Armstrong. Cast Lord Bottom. Then aged 37 years. Now aged 65 years. Real name Rupert Vanenstad. Cast Moron. Then aged 23 years. Now aged 50 years. Real name Catherine McCormack. Cast Queen Isabella. Then aged 29 years. Now aged 56 years. Real name Sophie Marceau. Thanks for watching.